right, time for a little follow-up on the clay project. We see, look at all of that. There's the clay. So, separate it out really well. Let's zoom in a little bit. See if you can see that layer of black right there that's forming in the clay. My understanding with that is this black layer is a type of anaerobic bacteria that happens to have a gram-negative black stain. I'm not a biologist, so I could be wrong on the details of that. And then if we come here to the bottom, we can see some more. It's forming down here. So this is in large part due to an excess of organic materials in the clay that we started with. Now, important thing to note when we do start working with this clay is it will be necessary to follow proper hygienic practices. Make sure to clean your hands thoroughly after. May even be necessary to wear a respirator just because of all of this bacteria, if any of it is still active when we finally get done with this. Oh, there's something interesting going away. Looks like some of the water just seeped through hanging here on the side. That was an interesting little effect. All right. Ooh. Let's see that again. Get a little bit of the cloudiness bouncing up here. That was kind of interesting. All right. Now, one of the things that I wanted to do was to shake this up. Get that all redispersed again. We'll let that settle out for a moment.